यहाँ पे क्यों आए?
Basically, if there are a million answers to this question, but if I were to answer it in the shortest way, is to tell कि मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे बहुत सारे लोग वुड से कि मेरे यहाँ खड़े हो जाने से, मेरे यहाँ आ जाने से फ़लस्तीन अगर आज़ाद हो जाएगा तो तुम चली जाओ. That's not going to help in any way. A lot of people have reservations like this, but I believe कि मेरे करने से क्या होगा नहीं होगा, that's none of my concern. My concern should be कि मैं अपनी तरफ से as an individual, what part am I playing, what side of the history am I on. When I look back at this time, will I be able to look into the eyes of Palestinians on the day of judgment and tell them that yes, I stood for you? क्या मैं अपने खुदा से के सामने खड़ी हो पाऊंगी ये कहते हुए कि हाँ मैंने अपने जानते I did my part, I did what I could do. So the reason why I'm here is to register in front of my God that I am on the side of the oppressors, on the side of the oppressed and not the oppressors.
इस सिनेरियो को लेके आपके माइंड में क्या चल रहा है? कितने सेंसिटिव आपका इस वक्त माइंड चल रहा है?
Very sensitive. In fact, I am not able to perform like a normal human being for the past few days. Whatever I do, there is a constant sense of guilt in the background. मैं खाना खा रही हूँ तो मुझे ये याद आता है that there are so many children who are sleeping hungry. When I have a bed to sleep on, I feel very guilty. When I have a roof over my head, I feel very guilty. When I see my family members around me, I feel very guilty. When I play with the children of my family, I feel very guilty. When I have access to my feminine hygiene products, I feel very guilty thinking about the women who are suffering. The humiliation, इस grief और loss में भी उनको ये humiliation भी face करनी पड़ी है कि उनके basic feminine rights, feminine hygiene products तक उनके पास नहीं है. So yeah.
आपकी हमारी आर्मी से क्या डिमांड है?
The demand is very clear, very obvious that we need to do something. This is the time to step up, to actually do something, to come together and stop being afraid of the oppressors, right? हमें जालिम से हम जब तक डरते रहेंगे कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. जालिम जितना भी मजबूत हो, जितना भी ताकतवर हो, by the end of the day मजलूम ही जीतता है. तो अगर आप साथ देंगे तो आपका फायदा है. By the end of the day you would be seen on the side of the oppressed and not the oppressor. और अगर आप नहीं देंगे अभी साथ तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके साथ नहीं देने से वो जालिम जीत जाएगा या मजलूम को आज़ादी नहीं मिलेगी. फिर आप देख लीजिए कि आप किस साइड ऑफ द हिस्ट्री पे होने वाले हैं.
थैंक यू सो मच.